Okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. So I promised to bring some very exciting projects to you, and I've been researching them for a while. So I want to talk about Scry.info. They've actually launched a coin, I think a few days ago, but it hasn't actually started trading on the exchange. It will be trading on the 23rd of this month. So this is the coin. So it will be trading on Gatecoin soon. So let's talk about what they want to actually do in this space. The first thing they want to do is they want that in the area of data, collecting real world data from different sectors of human life, from agriculture to the financial to aviation to anywhere that you can actually get access from, apart from things like maybe the military, where this info are especially for the government. What they want to do from sports, aviation, every part, they want to bring in parts where it's like a mall for data. So those who have this data can come sell it to those who actually want this data, and they have a very strong thing. And they have tools that can also help people to work. So they just came out, and I'm just researching the platform. I've not really done deep work on it per se, but as soon as I bring a deep work on it, I will bring you all the infos. So, however, this is a very good project, and have a very strong team. The guys, they've been able to work on, they had a previous project of which focused on just the agricultural industry, the Zena blockchain, and it's that team now that is now working on this project. They have very good from consultants like Shembon and David Lee. These are top guys in the industry, to the partners they have. So these guys are working on different sectors: Facebook, Twitter, working with Google, working with MIT and these big companies and top banks. So it's a very good project. However, when it comes to the research, I've not really done a deep research on it. I've scanned the white paper, I've seen what they want to do. It's something that is going to be huge in the space. It's very destructive in the space. So keep your eye on that. And then moving on, we have TV2. Now, what TV2 wants to do, TV2 wants to change the way we actually consume television. So TV2 says, when you are maybe scanning or browsing through or watching your TV, you don't get any form of incentive, in the sense that you are the mercy of those who have this project. Like, say for example, CNN gives you news, they give you adverts. So you don't control what you watch, and you don't control what adverts you get. So just like you're having platforms like Steemit, where Steemit says Facebook or certain blogs, if you have a blog, you don't get compensated enough. Let's change the way we do it. TV2 wants to change the way we consume television by giving some incentive to those who actually watch television. So there's a way to integrate it. Keep your eye on this project. I'm doing more research on it. I'm gonna bring you before the end of the week. And then we have Bubbletone. So Bubbletone is a service that they've been in operation for a while, 20 years in operation, and they've been helping people who are traveling from one country to another with roaming services. And they want to change the way it is being done by they have strategic partners with over telecom companies in over 80 countries currently now, and they are envisaging over 900 partnerships in the upcoming futures. And they have something very special, which is called their app. The Messenger app has over 100 features, which makes it very visionary. So you want to check what they actually want to do, and then if it's actually worth it. So like I told you, since more and more platforms are popping up every time. That's why sometimes I just see platforms, and before I could sit down, organize my work, and maybe make a video on it, it may take time. So I just try as much as possible to update those on my Twitter and Telegram group with the latest info. So if you've not actually subscribed to my Telegram group, it's high time you subscribe to getting the latest info. And then moving on, we have Remme. So what Remme wants to do is, Remme says want to change the way we actually authenticate if the person is actually accessing an account is the real owner. So like you have conventional websites where you want to access an account, you have to input a password, and this password are not really safe. So what Remme wants to do is, why not bring in the public key infrastructure and use this to actually secure the website. So using the public key infrastructure, they will be issuing, every time you want to access a website, they will be issuing this thing they call the SSL, the secure socket layer, and TSP. So it's something that is going to change the way things are being done in the upcoming days. And then moving on, there's a new coin that just launched. It's called Yee. So Yee is an application that has over 30 million users already, as you can see from here now. Over 400 plus distributed nodes, efficient distributed storage, reliable fast transactions, so on and so forth. So what this platform wants to do is, if you look at the platform, I will bring you more updates on it. They have services that range from IT to decentralized applications to blockchain services. The platforms, the features are very, very much. So you can see some of their strengths from the website. 10 plus world top ventures that have invested in them, and they have partnership with all these people. In the partnerships, I think each of them have over 100 million users. Next generation WeChat powered by blockchain platform with 30 million users already. You can see the rest of them. Advisors, who is behind the team, a lot of information. So this is something you really want to really pay attention to. And then Pundix has actually ended their ICO. I actually because I saw the information I think a few days ago, and I gave the information to those who are in my Telegram group. So Pundix is a platform that wants to make the way cryptocurrencies are being sold, or the way we actually spend cryptocurrencies. We want to change the way it's been done. So Pundix is a project you really want to pay a very big attention to. Then before I end the video, there are some projects I'm also looking on. One of them is called Acute Angle Cloud. So Acute Angle Cloud, they have services that range from they are like Sirin Labs producing blockchain related devices. So they have a kind of service where you can have a special hardware. So they have a kind of special PC that can enable anybody to be able to mine cryptocurrencies. Not only can you mine cryptocurrencies, it also supports online entertainment, and also can also act as a blockchain node and other services. So it's a platform you really want to pay attention to. And then these are some of the projects that actually launched in a few days. I was looking at them and saying, okay, some of them are projects someone should really look into. Mobos, and then Hydro Protocol. It's a project you want to look into. And then Singularity Net. I actually missed the ICO. I was like, damn, how come I missed the ICO? So they are in the artificial intelligence and robotics ecosystem, and they were the ones who created Sophia. So they were the ones who created Sophia, and They want to solve a very, very big problem in the AI industry. How do you become a marketplace for AI? So you want to check that thing. They have a very, very good project. The coin is relatively cheap. It's $1 now. And then Inshopper is one of the projects you want to look into. Then you have a Theta token. You want to look into this project. And then now Scry, like I told you. Now, with more and more projects popping up every time, and becomes very overwhelming for me to cover all the projects. So what I want to be doing is, if you're in my Telegram group or with me on Twitter, I'll be updating you on the go in the latest project, and then maybe a few weeks of in the launching time, if it's an ICO before it's actually launched, we'll be doing the reviews. So I want to do it this way so that you don't get to miss a project because I have not really done a video on it. So I could search on an ICO project. If it makes sense, I bring it to you on the go on the Twitter or on the Telegram group, and then wait the video where I'll actually discuss and tell you the technique, every part I have seen, every detail about the project. So guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel. However, everything I'm saying here is not to be taken as a financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence. Thank you.